Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I figured I might as well do a video on this. So there's 4 Lego sets here. I'm going to be packing these up and selling them to somebody to give to their kids for Christmas. So we've got right here, this is the Forest Police Station. Then we've got the heavy lift helicopter. Then we have this regular city helicopter and then the little patrol car. So this is all right here. And then what I'm going to do is I've got like a duster. I got some of that air spray stuff you use like clean off your keyboard. Then over here I got like a wet paper towel and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble everything. And I'm going to check the parts list. If you look in the back of your Lego instructions, these are the retro ones, you can see all the parts list. So what I do is I photocopy this, and I go and I check off, make sure every part's there, and then make sure they're all in the Ziploc bag so that I know if I'm selling something to somebody, then everything is in the set as it's supposed to be. So figured this might be a little bit of a different video just because of what I'm doing for it. Like I said, I'm packing these up to sell. So thought it might be a fun process. And these are really old sets too. They're like over 10 years old. So thought it might be cool to look at some of these. So hopefully you enjoy this video and let's get into it. All right, so this is set 4436. This set is old enough that it only has a 4-digit set code. So this set was released in 2011, retired in 2012. So this is the little patrol car that goes with that Forest Police Station. So you get one robber, one forest, kind of almost highway patrol looking kind of cop. And then you get this little squad car, which is kind of cute. You can fit both the cop and the robber in there. And then to get them in, you just pop the roof off like that. And then this little gate goes up and down like so. And then you can also fold up these little gates if you really wanted to. But anyway, this is a fun little accessory set for the main set. So, you know, with this, it's like I'll kind of just, you know, make sure the tires are nice and dusted off. Another feature about this, you can pull this little light off for the cop to use, and you usually get a couple pieces of handcuffs. So this is a really fun set that goes with that big police station. And like I said, I'm just going to show you all these sets, and then I'm just going to kind of break them down and show you how I process stuff when I actually go to sell a set after having it for almost, 15 years. One other thing I wanted to point out real quick is, like, look at how nice this box is. Like, after, 14, 15 years, I've had this set, and the box is still in fantastic shape, and I have the instructions, and I have all the pieces, and like I said, I'm going to clean it up and, package it up nice. But this is just, like, why I try to emphasize why you should take care of your stuff, because I have the entire set complete, and I have that, like, all these boxes for these new sets that I haven't done anything with yet. I'm keeping all these boxes, and I can show you right under my bed over here. I've got a ton of boxes for sets, so you definitely should keep them. All right, so the first step for starting to take stuff apart, I take the back of the instruction manual, I photocopy it, so then what I can do is I can just reference it, and I can mark off a piece. Once I've taken the piece off of the set, I've checked it off on this sheet, I will clean it, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag, and then by the end of it, I'll have the entire set put in here. Everything will be cleaned, and everything will be checked off. That way then, if I'm done deconstructing the set, and then there's stuff that isn't marked off, I can find that piece, or, get an extra piece if there's one missing. So that way then when I go to sell the set, it's all complete, and nobody can get mad. So that's kind of the first step. I'll start taking this apart, and kind of we'll go from there. All right, so I'm probably about halfway done with this. So, just got the pieces I've already checked off in there, tearing down the rest of it. Like I said, I got a paper towel. It's a little wet. Clean this off. Always throw on a show while I'm doing this. So, this is how it's done. If you want to sell them, make sure they're all cleaned off for somebody. Make sure you're selling it with all the pieces. This is how I would recommend doing it. Oh, another helpful tip, make sure you've got a debrickifier, because, you've probably gotten a ton of these with sets over the years. So that's definitely a handy tool to have lying around when you're doing this. All right, we are on to the next set. It's set 3658 police helicopter. This went with like one of the original police stations, and it's unit number 4 there. You can see that. This is also a limited edition set. Not sure what it's worth now, but you got 4 mini figures right here. You got this nice little truck for the robber to drive around in. I used to use this all the time as like an attack helicopter. Like I would mount machine guns to it and all that. But anyway, really cool set. Like I said, same deal. Copy down this back sheet. Clean up stuff, because it's like you got dust up here in like the rotors. These bricks right here get a little nasty. Dust gets in there on like the minifigs, like their feet and stuff. So, just kind of clean all that up, package it up, and it all works out real nice. So this is a really cool set, and it's time to see it go. Well, about 2 or 3 hours later, which I'm also watching a show, so that's why it takes that long. But we've got both books for this set. You know, mark this, you know, bag 1 is for book 1, or, you know, book 1, that's for that instruction manual. Then I mark the other 2. So, and then obviously I'll throw them in the box, and then I'll tape that up. So, like I said, just, you know, got a can of the air spray. Had to get out a couple of my extra piece bins because I had some stuff that was missing, you know. So, yeah, it is a little bit of a process, but like I said, anytime I try to sell something, I want to make sure it's good, so nobody can ever come back to me like, you know, you didn't put the right pieces in there, or, you know, leave you a bad review if you're selling stuff on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. So, anyway, I've got 2 more sets out of this lot that I'm selling, but after that, we'll be done. All right, it's a couple days later. I've got some more time, so we're breaking down this heavy lift helicopter. I already have the little vehicle that goes inside the helicopter. That's already busted down. We got the helicopter itself, and we're just checking off more stuff on the sheet. Here's the final set we're going to box up. This one was actually a pretty cool set to have. It actually matches the squad car and the helicopter we boxed up. So you got this little kind of police unit here. You can put some tools and stuff in the back. You can only see one driver. You got a pilot for this mini chopper, which has a couple storage compartments in it. Then we got 2 state forest troopers here. You got like the chief guy, and then this female ranger. You got this bear. We called him Barry. Then you got a nice little 4-wheeler with this backpack that could be put on the back, or you could take it off so one of the other robbers can ride. They can both be on here. Got some tools there. Got both these robbers. Then this rock face actually opened up with a spot for all of their loot. And then we had the actual police station, which was rather cool. You can look around the backside. They had a ladder to get up to their little radar dish. You had this bunk bed system for all the robbers. Then they could actually escape using that mailbox. We'll look at that in a little second. Then we got a little office there, coffee maker, and all that good stuff. So, very cool set. And like I said, this mailbox, you could open up and then just slide it out, and then they would escape through that. So, very cool set. Excited to box it up and get it out of here, just because, I'll put that back later, it doesn't matter. Just because I don't have all the room for all these Star Wars sets I'm buying. So, get this thing boxed up and sold to somebody else. All right, well, the final set is all bagged up. So, you know, stuff I like to do, I like to just label the bags, you know, what booklet they go to, if there's a lot of them, stuff like that, where I can't really separate out into bag 4 and 5. I just do, you know, bags 4 and 5, and then, you know, usually they can figure it out. But other than that, you know, check off everything on the sheets, and then I know everything's complete, and the set's good to go.